Cosmos, also known as Atom, once one of the hottest projects in the entire crypto space. But now, the price is way off its all-time highs. So the big question is Cosmos a sleeping giant ready to explode, or is it fading into the background? Today, we're diving deep. Technology, fundamentals, market sentiment, and realistic price predictions for 2026, 2030, and beyond. Stick around, because the final prediction might surprise you. Cosmos calls itself the Internet of Blockchains. While most crypto projects focus on scaling their own chain, Cosmos is playing a bigger game, connecting many chains into one interoperable universe. With tools like the Cosmos SDK and IBC, developers can build blockchains that actually talk to each other. And Atom, the native token, is the fuel. It's used for staking, governance, and securing the network. But here's the truth. Atom isn't near its previous highs. The price today is hovering way lower, and investors are asking, is Cosmos losing momentum, or is the market simply sleeping on a powerful technology? Competition has exploded. New interoperability solutions are coming out, and crypto is still extremely volatile. But at the same time, more developers continue to build on Cosmos. The ecosystem is quietly expanding. So, what could reignite Atom's price? 3 big catalysts. Interoperability demand growing fast. 2. More chains joining Cosmos. 3. Upgrades and ecosystem expansion. But let's be honest, there are real risks. Strong competition, other cross-chain tech is emerging fast. Slow adoption could put downward pressure on price. Regulatory uncertainty could impact staking and cross-chain protocols. And, of course, macroeconomic volatility. Cosmos is powerful technology, but technology alone doesn't guarantee price growth. All right, let's get into the numbers. Here's a balanced, research-based range of predictions. Cosmos price predictions for 2026, based on ecosystem growth, market conditions, and current market sentiment. In a more bullish scenario, where inflation is reduced, IBC adoption expands, and the market enters a strong recovery, Atom could climb into the $8–10 range. And in an extreme bull case, a major altcoin season combined with explosive ecosystem growth, Cosmos could even push toward $12 to $15 plus, although that remains a lower probability outcome. Overall, my personal most likely range for Atom by the end of 2026 is $5 to $8, reflecting a slow, steady climb with room for upside if the right catalysts align. Looking ahead to 2030, steady ecosystem growth could push Atom into the $20 to $30 range, while stronger network expansion may elevate it toward $40 to $50, and an extreme bull cycle could see it climb above $60, potentially reclaiming or surpassing previous all-time highs. In the long term, 2035 and beyond, conservative models place Atom around $30 to $35, while a strong adoption trajectory could send it into the $50 to $80 plus zone as interoperability tech continues to evolve and gain mainstream traction. These are not guarantees, just realistic scenario modeling based on adoption, competition, and tokenomics. So, is Cosmos a good long-term play? If you believe in an interoperable future where blockchains freely connect, transfer value, and scale together, then Cosmos is one of the strongest infrastructures in the space. But Atom needs stronger utility, more adoption, and a bullish market to climb back to its former highs. What do you think? Is Atom massively undervalued, or is it losing its edge? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep crypto analysis, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.